Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to add Substack in WordPress. First, go to your WordPress and log into your account. Now on the left panel, click on Appearance and go to Editor. After that, on another window or tab, go to your Substack and log into your account. Once inside, go to Dashboard on the top right. If you want to add a post to your WordPress, go to it on the upper ribbon and select a post, then click on the three dots beside it and copy its link. Now go back to WordPress and click on your site. Then go to the section where you want to put it. Then click the plus sign button on the top left. After that, search for link. Here you can select on buttons. Then just click the link icon above it and paste the link of your post and click on it. Now you can add in a text like read me. Then on the right panel, you can change the layout of it. After that, just click save on the top right. Another option is go back to Substack. If you want to add your profile link, click on your icon and click on your profile. Now just click on the three dots and copy the link of your profile. Go back to WordPress, then search again for button and select it. Now click the link icon and paste the link of your profile and click on it. Now you can add a text like subscribe. You can also change the layout on the right panel. Then just click on the save button at the top right. Now if you go preview your account and click on it, you can see your Substack page. Another option is go to Substack and go to Dashboard at the top right and go to Settings. Now click on Growth Features, and in here you have the option to embed subscribe button, so just copy it and go back to WordPress. After that, you will now search for HTML and click on it. Then just paste your code and click on preview. And in here you can see your Substack subscribe button. And that's just basically it. That's how you add a Substack in your WordPress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.